Question 11. Find the size of angle X. So this here is a triangle, and we need to know that angles in a triangle always add up to 180. So this, add this would equal 180 degrees. Now there's a bit of a clue on this triangle. It's these two lines that help us work out this angle here. They mean that these two lines are the same, and that means that these two angles are the same, and that this is an isosceles triangle. So if these two angles are the same, then this one must be 55 degrees. So then that helped me work out the missing angle X. I know that they all must add up to 180. So I've got to add these two up. 55 degrees add 55 degrees is 110 degrees. So I know that both of these add up to 110. So to find the missing one, I do 180, take away 110, and that would give me my leftovers. So if I count up, 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 70 degrees. So this is a 2-mark question. The examiner will give you 1 mark if you work out 180, take away 110, and final mark for 70 degrees. Part B. Find the size of angle Y. So this is a 4-sided shape now, so that's a quadrilateral, and all angles in a quadrilateral must add up to 360. So this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle all add up to 360. But this question is looking at Y. It's asking us to find angle Y. So before we can do that, we need to work out what this one is to then work out what Y is. So we can then see that these two angles, it might be upside down, but they're actually sitting on a straight line. So then we need to use the rule that angles on a straight line add up to 180. So let's first work out this missing gap. I need to add up all of these just like we did in part A. So 129, add 88, add 67. So keeping your numbers in a nice straight line. 9 add 8 is 17, add 7 is 24, so I put the 4 here, carry the 2. 2 add 8 is 10, add 6 is 16, add 2 is 18, right, the 8, carry the 1. 1 and nothing, I can fill in the zeros here, 1 and nothing is 1, add the 1 is 2. So all of these angles added up make 284 degrees. Now I need to take those away from 360 to find out what that missing gap is. So 360 take away 284. So in the takeaway sum, I can't do 0 take away 4, I've got to borrow. So I borrow from this 6 to become a 5, and I can carry that 1 over now. So this becomes 10 take away 4 is 6. 5 take away 8, I can't do that. I'm going to have to borrow again. So that becomes 15 now. 15 take away 8 is 7. And 2 take away 2 is nothing. So I'm left with 76 degrees. So this here must be 76. So if I know that both of these add up to 180, I can then do 180, take away 76, fill in my gap with a 0 again. I can't do 0 take away 6, so I've got to borrow, that becomes a 7. 10 take away 6 is 4, 7 take away 7 is nothing, 1 take away nothing is 1. So I'm left then with 104 degrees. So this is a 3-mark question. So you get 1 mark for 360 take away 84. 1 mark for getting this angle correct at 76. And then 1 mark there for your final answer of 104 degrees.